like a hoe. You act like you like it though.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since my last video, like 3 weeks. What we're doing is I'm gonna teach you guys like how I've been maintaining my tribal braids or cornrows, Fulani braids, whatever you want to call them. So I've had these braids in for 17 days, so basically like 2 weeks, almost going on 3 weeks. And I mean, to me, they're in pretty good condition. My hair does get frizzy, but honestly, the amount of frizz is really not as much as you would expect for cornrows that are 3 weeks old. Because 3 weeks is a pretty long time for this type of hairstyle. Like, if you guys have ever gotten like those 2 braids or 4 braids or any type of cornrows going back, you know, like they get really fuzzy easily. And yeah, so I'm just gonna like try to show you guys my braids sort of the way I had it in the video, so you guys can see kind of like where they are now compared to where they were when I first got them done. So like this. I'm gonna turn to the side, turn to the other side, turn to this side. Hope you guys can see. And turn to this side. I'm in a chair, so it's gonna be like, it's hard to like really get up and show you guys. But hopefully you guys can see the back of it. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay guys, so obviously excuse my appearance, but stopped at Wendy's before I go. It's actually like 2 o'clock. The woman called in like at 1:30. She said I can come earlier, but I was already on my way to get Wendy's, so I was like, I'll just be there at 2. So yeah.
Oh, we're gonna
Get the top of my head, Gabby.
Gabby stars.
Oh my god, I'm not that tall.
Hold your hands up.
Oh. Okay guys, so I just left the hair salon. She literally did it exactly how I wanted. I showed her the picture. It's just so good. Ah! Yeah. Guys, it's so good. Gabby was like, wow, but your hair looks good too, Gabby.
I'm like, thanks. Don't make me blush.
Again, tell me why. It's $2 medium. He gave me this large drink and 2 free donuts. Just $2. Huh.
Yeah.
My mom says it's the glow up.
Yes, paying off.
Woo! Yeah, basically those are my braids 3 weeks later after getting them done. I'm gonna show you guys the one product that has been keeping my hair laid down. Like honestly, like I owe my hair still being this nice to this product right here. So ooh, I hope you guys can see. No spawns. This is actually like, I bought this and like I love this. Like, I mean, obviously I bought it. It's like probably like $4, $5, $6. I don't know, no more than like $8. So this is the product right here. Hope you guys can see. It's not so bright. Sorry, my lights are making it bright. It's the olive oil hold and shine wrap set mousse, infused with coconut oil for shine, whatever. Tames frizz, adds body, fast shine. Well, we don't need body, but basically I use this to keep the frizziness down. So as you can see right now, it's frizzy just because like I got out the shower and like I put this sweater on. So I mean, it got frizzy from that. It was a little frizzy in the day, but usually when I wake up and I take off this scarf, it's very sleek. But yeah, worst thing is I'm running, actually, like I was about to say running low, but girl, it's empty. Like, I mean, you could be a boy too watching this, so let me stop. It's empty, like literally at the very bottom. So I need more of that. I'm probably only, I don't know when, like I really have to plan. Like there's so much to do before school, like taking out these like getting in, I don't even know. So even though I don't have any foam to show you guys exactly how I do it, I'm gonna tell you how I do it. So every night, ever since I got my braids done, take this foam, pop it open, and since the braids that I got, as you guys saw from before, were like this way, down, and then this way, down, I would pretty much just spray it in the spots that I knew I wanted to stay sleek, which is really the top of my head. So I would spray here. See, it's empty, but you get the point. Like, obviously a lot more foam will come out. I'll go here, here, and then I would push it into my scalp, push it into my scalp, push it into my scalp, and then I would put some here, all the way down my braids, and I would rub it into my braids. So honestly, I'm putting it on because I need whatever little bit I can get. I didn't have time to go to the hair store, but that's for this side. Then this side, I would go in the middle. Ooh, a lot more came out. Push that back into my scalp. On the side, push that back into my scalp. Then once again down the length of the hair, and rub that through. Then I would push my hair back, take my silk scarf. Everybody should have a silk scarf like this. If you get braids, it really keeps it from getting frizzy. You want to fold it down like in a triangle. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. You want to fold it down like this in a triangle. I hope you guys can understand what I'm doing. You fold it down like this in the triangle shape, and then you lay it flat down on the shiny side, which is the silky side. That keeps your hair smooth. You flip it over and put it like this. The triangle should be facing down on your braids, and then it goes top like that. Then you pull it to where, I guess, to where your edges, in front of your edges, so you can keep those smooth and down. So like just on top of your forehead, big forehead gang. So if you have a small forehead, it might be down here by your eyebrows. I don't know. But for me, it comes right here. I stick these two pieces behind my ears, just so you know all the braids, because I have braids down to my ears, so make sure everything's slick. I grab the two sides of the scarf and I cross it in the back. So this is making sure that the braids are like together. See what I mean? Pull it down, adjust it, whatever. Pull it tight to make sure it's holding everything down. And I bring it up here and I tie it like this. So then you can tie it in a knot, whatever you want to do. Leave it there. And then that's how I wrap it at night. So like I do this when I'm going to bed, and then I just take it off in the morning. So I'm gonna leave this here for a minute. I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I use for my baby hairs.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, I think at this point we can take it out and see what we got. I pull it off like this so my edges aren't really messed up. I mean, it did lay down some of the frizzes. Tell me it didn't. I'm gonna put in a replay from a beginning part of this video. We're gonna see if it did hold down a little. And that was just what? A minute of me having it on. Imagine 8 hours in your sleep. Sleek. Okay, so now to the edges. So for the baby hairs, you see how I have them. This is after like a full day of work and everything. And it was a little crust there. It's after a full day of work. And yeah, hopefully you guys can see. I always fix them up in the morning to make sure that like they're to my liking. But let me show you what I use. So you're gonna need a toothbrush that's used for your hair, not your toothbrush for your teeth. Toothbrush that's used for hair. I was gonna try to find my edges brush to show you guys. Lost it again. I mean, at least they cost $1 because I lose them every time I get a new one. And then I use, now this one might shock you guys a little bit, but it's the only thing that was sticking, and I hate girlless knot, so got to be. I mean, technically it is a gel, and this is like a everyday type of hairstyle. Like, you wear it every day. Like, you really don't manipulate your edges at all, your baby hairs. So this is the one I use. I use the Black Got To Be, boom, and I'm done. And then, like I said, if you guys get tired of like it looking like this and maybe it's too frizzy for you, or you can always wear it like this. I like to put mine in a ponytail, so I could just show you guys that now. I usually pull the ponytail tighter, but I'm about to take it out. So yeah, this is how I wear mine. But yeah, I love this hairstyle. It's so cute. 10 out of 10 recommend to anybody who wants braids. Like, if you're trying to start school with these braids or end off the summer with these braids, it's a perfect hairstyle. Like, you do not have to touch your hair. Like, if you're like me, you like to do your baby hairs, like, that's it. And you tie it down at night using the tips I just showed you, and you're set. Like, this will keep you for like definitely a month. You can keep it for a month. Like, it will not even look that crazy, especially if you just put it in a ponytail when it starts to get a little frizzy. You're perfect. You're done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know every time I post. Also, I'm sorry that this video is like 2 weeks late. I know I post every week. I'm gonna get back on the grind. College videos coming soon. I should also have a back to school haul video coming soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a try on or just regular haul, because I do still want to order more stuff. So yeah, also move-in day vlog, all that. So yeah, once again I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yes, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna put some other hair videos I've done at the end of this, and check those out if you want to learn more things to do with your hair. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching.